Hi, I'm Oscar Garcia from Weather Mapping. I'm here at the MC20 site on the northern Gulf of Mexico. I'm here with my friends from EPA, from NOAA, Woods Hole, and ABT, APT, and we are here collecting oil samples.
So, hi, I'm Lisa DePinto. I'm with NOAA's Office of Response and Restoration, and I'm working with Oscar and the rest of the guys we've already mentioned to collect some surface oil samples. So we positioned the boat to be approximately near the source of the oil as it surfaces from the bottom. And Oscar is using a specially designed net to skim the floating oil from the surface. And he's going to take a few passes over that oil slick on the surface there. And we're going to put it in this jar and send it off to an analytical lab to do a chemical analysis of the oil to help us understand what constituents are in the oil, how much the oil is weathered, and other factors about how the oil might behave in the water. Oscar, why don't you tell me about what you have in that contraption of yours?
So this is an instrument that we have developed over the years with an attempt of sampling oil, floating oil, to measure the thickness of the floating oil. What this does, we just basically let it sit on the oil, and it will collect a tube that's going to take a profile of whatever was floating on the surface. These are treated tubes with a special solvents that let the oil get inside the tube without pushing the oil away. So this is a method that we have developed. We tested the different versions at OMSET, and we just made a calibration test where we compare the results of this method versus others, and we are getting interesting results for sampling thicker samples of oils. And for example, in this case, we know that the aspect of the oil that we are seeing here, we are expecting to get a sample on the range of the tens of microns, maybe between that range, between 5 to 20 microns maybe. And we can say that based on the aspect of the oil.
Well, let's give it a try. I want to see what this thing looks like.
All right. I'm just gonna let it sit on the oil. You get it there?
Yep, I got it.
I'm gonna put it there on your feet.
Okay.
So this sample here, this tube collected a profile of the floating surface, whatever substance is floating on the ocean. In this case, we are expecting to get a signature related to the oil that was floating. And we compared the results with a calibrated curve that we got on the lab. And this is just a sample.
There's oil and water. Thanks.
Yes.